What's going on? This is Travel with Muhamed. We are in Columbia, South Carolina. This is my first travel vlog in America, believe it or not. And we are celebrating 10,000 subscribers. Thank you all. Like, subscribe, share. But we treat this like any other travel vlog, like I've been in other countries. We're gonna hang out with the locals, we're gonna try some good food, and we're gonna hit the streets. Appreciate it. For the amount of money they playing on me, they might come down here. Bangkok, here at the stadium. Stadium in the background. It's nice out here. It's quiet now since ain't no games going on. Oh, I heard that people buy those apartments there, or those condos, and they just use them for the game. So only during the season you will see this place packed. We over here walking around the stadium. I'm getting a tour. This is something I've never seen before, but this is famous here in South Carolina. They call cockaboos. You rent these out, you buy them. When you tailgating, you hang out up top, inside. Can you? They barbecue and grill and stuff.
Yeah, on the outside.
Yeah, so this pretty cool. It's a couple of them going down. But yeah, this is it. Let me turn this around. Bathrooms inside. Oh, we go down far. There's a couple of them. There's quite a bit of them. We're at the state capitol building. We about to go check it out. They got they honoring the South Carolina veterans right here. That's nice. But the state building's in the back. We about to go walk around, check it out. They downtown real nice out here. I'm at the Capitol. See the building in the back. I'm about to go holler at the senators, governor, see what's going on. Let's see who up here. We got George Washington up here. It's nice. Hey guys, I'm in Walmart trying to get my wedding clothes. It's a barber shop in here. I never seen a barber shop in a Walmart. They over here laughing. They talking about I ain't never seen no barber shop. Hey, comment down below if you got a barber shop in your Walmart, because I'm curious. I want to know. I haven't seen one in Texas.
That damn about buying an umbrella just to walk to the car. Now look at us. Hey, everybody. I ain't used to this country. I'm from the city. It's pouring raining. We out here, we're just walking, just scrolling like it's nothing. Man.
We're at the rehearsal, getting ready for tomorrow. I'm not doing any work. They're over there practicing. We got Zach here with Vet's junk removal. I told him I'm gonna have to borrow this car for a while. I've been out of America so long that I haven't seen one. I think, well, I maybe seen one in another country, but this is my second time. But this is actually my first time seeing it up close. They do junk removal, and how many states you do junk removal? How many states we at now? 5 states. Mainly the South, Atlanta, South Carolina. Oh, look at him showing out. I like this. This is the light show. Hey, I think this is cool. I love cars and I love tech. I know there's issues going on with the president and Elon, but we ain't here for politics. I'm just admiring a nice ride. Let me do that, please. Don't kill me. Is it Christmas music? I guess so. Yeah, say enjoy the light show. I want to drive it. We about to go get some food. We just did our rehearsal. It's dinner time. We're here at Bistro. Got family here, friends. Alright. Show the camera.
Oh, the conversation I had with each other.
Oh, yeah. We about to get this cut. Get ready for this wedding. See how they hook me up. I'm out here looking rough. This gonna be my last cut before I head out the country. So, yeah, we about to get it. Look at Dan. Dan getting his fade going. Dan getting right for the wedding. You good, Dan? Yeah. We still in Colombia. We at Pro Styles. We about to get this cut. Get ready for this wedding. We're gonna turn up tonight. Got my boy Troy here. He about to fade me up. Get right. I ain't been in the States in a while. I ain't had a good haircut in a while. They did show me love in Thailand and the Philippines. But I'm back home. Alright, we got our cuts. Cut came out good. Everybody nice. We about to hit the streets.
Oh, thank you.
Get ready for this wedding. Weather holding up, which is a good thing. Yesterday it was raining bad. So right now it's in the 70s. Hopefully no showers. We'll see. Yeah, so my time here in South Carolina so far has been good. This is my first time in the South. Even though I've lived in Dallas for the last 15 years, I don't consider it the South. It's a big difference. The atmosphere, the energy of the people, how they move, how they talk. Hospitality is good. I mean, it's good in Texas. So, yeah, I'm enjoying this. This is my first location. This is my first time vlogging here in America. And it's weird. I've been to 40 countries, and this is my first time actually picking up a camera here in America. And it's been nice. I'm enjoying it. It's good to see some old friends. It's good to see the old streets of America. I've been traveling so much to where this is like different. It's foreign to me now. It's crazy to say, but yeah, it's been good so far. We're gonna drive around the town. I just want to see how people living, see how life is here in Colombia, and see what's going on. I'm here in the downtown area. This is the coffee shop that I heard about that you can give, and some of the proceeds go to the homeless and the shelters. And I did a little research. It started in 1888. And there's a men's shelter here. This was the first building. And I think there's another one with the ladies' shelter, the women's shelter. So all this is one location. And it's a ministry. It's a church organization. This is the name of the coffee shop, the roastery. And this is the address. I did speak to someone out here off camera that said when you buy the coffee, it covers the expenses, and then the rest of the proceeds go to the organization. So I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna order a coffee, but I'm gonna give. If you all don't know, I give all around the world. So I cannot be in my own country. I cannot be home and not give. So this is a nice spot too. Come in here and get a coffee if you're in Columbia, South Carolina. The address is on the card that I just showed. Yeah, this is a nice spot. It smells good in here, a lot of roasted beans. But yeah, let's see what they got over here. I think it's cool. I like coffee. I'm a coffee guy, so. But yeah, if you're here, stop by, say hi. I'm gonna order some coffee and give a little donation. I've been doing some recording with my good camera. We're about to start soon. So we're getting ready. Get it in. We looking good. I haven't had dress clothes on in. It's been a while. 10 months plus. But yeah, everybody's coming in. We're getting ready to get in here.